And so what are some of those compliance considerations? Well, the first one is all the different content that's been created. Organizations are no longer just using emails or just using file shares. Over the last 5 years, we've been dealing with collaboration data. We all started using Teams or Slack to communicate with employees and each other, right? That was primarily a new content source that we needed to handle. And so now when we start talking about generative AI and the ability to be able to have communications with a Copilot or a bot, we're still having communications with someone. The challenge then for compliance becomes, how are we capturing that data just along with the other data that we already were capturing? The regulators continue to come and grow. Oftentimes when new technology is brought about, the technology innovation is faster than the guidelines or the litigation that may be coming in courts or by regulators. Now, everyone has heard recently in 2024, the EU put out the AI Act, right? So that's the first one that we're starting to see a lot of organizations start to think about their governance standards for AI along that particular regulation. But it's only growing. The UK has passed one specific to its nation. In the US, we have different states that are bringing AI concerns across organizations that are operating in those states. So as I mentioned, the innovation grows a lot faster than the regulation, but the regulation is coming. And for many organizations that with Arctera, they've long been thinking about governance. Governance isn't something new to them. And so what they need to be able to do is take that same governance framework that they had for their organization's data and now put AI into it as well. And then the AI, of course, is expanding the risk. We could talk about hallucinations, but those are often things that are being controlled by commercial AI tools. They're the ones that are regulating the large language model. It's upon us to make sure that whatever is coming in and out from that large language model is being governed appropriately by our organizations.